Okay. Okay, who will read that?
What return period must the highway engineer use in designing a critical underpass drain to accept only 10% risk that flooding will occur in the next 5 years?
Okay, so suppose you're a highway engineer and you need to design a critical underpass drain, and for different reasons, all the surroundings and everything, you will accept only 10% risk that the flooding will occur in the next 5 years. Okay, so 5 years here is kind of the design life for that one, and you are asking to calculate the return period T, and this one is the N, and you know the risk. So we can actually calculate what will be the return period for that specific underpass drain, right? So the equation is 1 minus, that is the equation. So let's write down the given values and what we need to find. So R is 10%, which is 0.1, N is 5 years, and we don't know what is T. So that's what we will find out. So R is 0.1. Okay. Do the calculation and tell me what will be the number of that T. You know how to remove the power part, right? Again, power. We divide on both sides 1 over that power. So that will actually remove the power. That should be class example 4. I will fix that on Canvas. Anyone got any answer? 1.58? That doesn't sound right. All of you got 1.58? That is not right either, because the answer should be 48 point something. That can be something, because I got 48.1 and you got 47.9. Okay, I will wait for others also, just to make sure we are getting 49.9, 47.9 or something close to that. Now you got 48. Michael, what number you got?
I'm not calculating.
Instead of lollipop, I think I need to bring calculators. Every time the calculator will be there, you just pick one and do the calculation.
In my defense, I got out of my bed 8 minutes before this class started.
So you did 2 offenses at one. You were late and you didn't bring your calculator.
Well, technically, I wasn't late. I was on time.
For my class.
Yeah.
But for what is
I
it?
didn't have a 9 a.m.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that. Okay, anyone else got any number? Maybe I will write down one extra line. So 0.1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 over t, 5. Negative got cancelled. Now find the t. Make sure you are doing 1/5 on both sides for the power. I'm going to the next slide. Okay.
47.6.
Okay. That sounds reasonable. Okay. So 0.9 1/5 1 minus 1/t 5/5, right? So that will be some number 1 minus 1/t. So if you do the calculation, you should get 48 point something around 48. Okay. Okay. So something around 48 years. Now that is the return period for like what return period must only the 10% risk and the flooding will occur in the next 5 years. So that is the return period. Now, what is the other way? From table, what is the table number you have? 3.2. Let's check that one. If we can get anything from there. So table for 3.2, where is the table? Here, right? Do we know the risk percentage? What is the risk percentage here? 10%. Do we know the design life? 5 years. Okay. Now let's find if we can get the return period. So if I go this way and this one, what is the number here? 48.1, right? So the number you got, which is pretty close to that 48.1. So make sure you identify that one and just write down here 48.1. So this is a good way to check your calculation during test or during homework. If I ask you something, just make sure you, if I don't mention anything like which one I want, just do both and check your answer, okay?
So we'll have that table on the test.
Yeah, like if I ask you to do something from the table will